In this video, I will be showing you how to use Chatgpt for ad copy. Let's get started. I begin by opening the Chatgpt interface on my browser. I click into the prompt bar at the bottom of the screen and type a clear instruction to generate our initial marketing material. My prompt reads, write a Facebook ad for a new online coffee shop called Brew Bliss. Include primary text, headline, description, and a call to action. Use a friendly and persuasive tone to encourage first-time customers to place an order. Once I finish entering the details, I click the Send Prompt button on the right side of the input field. Chatgpt processes the request and automatically labels the conversation as Facebook ad request in the sidebar. It generates a polished advertisement structure section by section. It outputs a compelling, primary text, introduction highlighting the brand name, a catchy headline, a concise description, focusing on fresh delivery and an introductory offer, and concludes with a clear call to action, prompting users to order now. Next, I click the prompt bar again to refine our output. I type a follow-up request to experiment with different messaging angles. Rewrite this ad in a more exciting and emotional tone while keeping the same message. I then click the send prompt icon to generate the new text. Chatgpt quickly responds with an energetic and emotionally engaging version. The revised copy features vibrant emojis in the primary text, an enthusiastic headline reading, "Fall in love with every sip at Brew Bliss," and an updated description emphasizing a special welcome offer for new customers, all while preserving the core call to action structure. To explore targeted marketing strategies, I enter one final prompt into the chat box to create custom variations for specific buyer personas. I type, create 3 additional ad variations, one for students, one for office workers, and one for coffee lovers. I hit the send button to submit the request. The system processes this instruction and provides 3 distinct audience-specific ad frameworks. First, it displays a tailored version for students, using hooks centered around late-night studying, exam preparation, and staying energized. Scrolling down the page, we can see the second framework explicitly designed for office workers, focusing on morning routines, enhancing workplace productivity, and skipping long coffee shop lines. Finally, it generates the third variation dedicated to true coffee enthusiasts, using rich language that emphasizes premium flavors, sensory rituals, and a deep appreciation for high-quality brews. Chatgpt concludes the response by summarizing the strategic focus behind each new version, giving us a highly versatile selection of ad copy to launch a successful marketing campaign. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.